So just like when we were solving equations and we had those properties of equality, like addition property of equality, subtraction property of equality, etc., we also have the same things with inequalities. And so the addition property of equality tells us that adding the same number to each side of an inequality produces an equivalent inequality. So, for example, let's say I had 5 is greater than 3. That's a true statement. 5 is bigger than 3. But if I were to go ahead and add 1 to both sides, I would get that 6 is greater than 4. And that is still a true inequality. 6 is in fact greater than 4. So when you add the same number to both sides of inequality, you're still going to have a true statement. Subtraction property of inequality, on the other hand, says that subtracting the same number to each side of an inequality produces an equivalent inequality. So same thing as we see with adding. So if I stick with that same example, 5 is greater than 3. If I subtract 2 from both sides, I get 3 is greater than 1, which is still a true statement. So with all of our inequalities, when we add or subtract the same number to both sides, it'll still be equivalent.